All right, good morning, everybody. Bear with me. YouTube is live, Discord is also live. Alrighty. Alright, good morning, everybody. Market about to open in 3 more minutes. Alrighty. Alright, don't forget to click the like button, morning like, folks. Let's get the morning like done. Alrighty. Two more minutes to go. Alright, let's start with the disclaimer, folks. This video audio is for education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice, nor I recommend to buy or sell any sort of stocks or investment. For your finance advice, please consult with the professional finance advisor before making any financial decision. Also, make sure do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade. It could be very risky, folks. You could blow up your account. Right, market about to open. Market just open, folks, already. POC, Q. IWM is bouncing, QQQ dumping. Already, POC right there. Man, premiums are outrageous, okay? Just to let you know, it's gonna be crazy premium. Just give some time to settle the premium, okay? In morning will be crazy premium. Wow, man, premium jacked up 500%, folks, okay? Premium jacked up 500% today. Outrageous premium. Wow. Yeah. Man, market gonna move big today. They're gonna dump it today. Crazy. Already. Outrageous. Alright, keep bouncing. Wow, look at that market today. They are going interesting. Premiums are like outrageous. We'll see. Whatever they happens. We'll see. Look at those conditions. Squeeze bearish market. Trying to bounce, conditions are POC right there. POC right there. What a game market gonna play today, folks. Today, look at the premium just jacked up, outrageous. Okay. All right. POC involved. QQQ SPY. Let the premium settle right now. QQQ bouncing. POC right there. All right, market trying to bounce. These are the level. We need to keep it in mind. Previous day high. Wow. This is previous day low. This is support. Just a second. This is a 30-minute chart, okay? This is upward channel. You can see right there. If the channel breaks downward, it will be bearish. Just a second. Wow, MACD looking horrible bearish, folks. Today is the day market want to dump. Look like volumes are coming down. We are at the support. Let's see, we'll see. Let the market create a big cycle, something bigger one, right? I'm sure they're gonna do some drama. Today they dumped the silver crazy. I think market gonna take the silver down, folks. Some point of time. That's what I think. Where the noise is, that's what the market maker do. Okay, that's where the money's are. Same thing on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin, they're taking it down, ground level 0. I'm expecting they could do very big things on the Bitcoin. Once everybody gets squeezed, then probably they could live, because right now they are in a full-fledged sell mode. Right. All right, let's see volume coming today. What is the agenda? To take it up, to take it down. That's what we need to keep eyes on it here today, okay? They can do anything. Alright, bulls are coming here. All three indexes now bullish. All three indexes now bullish. Very interesting, huh? That is crazy. Interesting, because last 2 days they've been dumping at the open. So today, let's see. Ticks are going lower, ticks are still negative, market looking bullish. Look at that. Alright folks, morning time. Let's click the like button. Look at the MACD volume. Wow, man, this is bullish, 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 folks. Okay, this is bullish. Alrighty, that's okay. Bulls are coming. Ticks are still pushing lower, but look like bulls are here. Look at the volume. Alrighty. Let the premium settle, because outrageous premium. So they jacked up the premium 500% today. Market IV is in a 40% today. They jacked up. Look at the ticks are still negative. Market at the top. Look at the QQQQQ, market lifting it up. Bulls are coming. Ticks are still holding down. And bulls are like powerful bulls. Oh, POC popped there at the top. POC pop. Bulls are coming. Already. Look at the volumes are here strong still. Still bulls are here, MACD bullish, volume bullish. Okay, be careful on shorting the market right now. Look like bulls here. Volumes are strong here. We have the POC. Let's see. MACD bullish. Still volumes are strong here. Today gotta be careful. Premiums are Theta decay will be crazy. Okay. Both direction. Look at the IWM is going. IWM looking nice today. Right, look at the market lifting it up. Look at the bulls here coming. POC there. Mm-hmm. Ticks are bouncing, volume, MACD, all looking bullish. Mm-hmm. We're gonna wait today, folks, okay? Because market maker might play some game. Okay. Right now, look at the MACD here. Look at the bulls here, folks. They want to go. Bulls are great. Yep. Wow, loving it look like to me right now, man. For like from all three indexes are bullish. Okay. Look at the volume here. Look at this condition, look at this volume. Bulls are like power. You can see. Mm-hmm. POC is still there. Look at this volume, they're still bullish, folks. Okay, bulls are here. Alright, POC involved, IWM, sorry, SPY and QQQ, both POCs there. Okay, still bullish. Look at that whole volume, man, today. Alright, we had the POC. Alright, POC right there. POC acting as support. Look at these volumes here. Be careful of shorting the market, okay? Be careful. Look at these volumes right now. I know, and POC involved. Market is in correction mode, folks, okay? Just to let you know, it's solid. When tsunami comes, everything goes down. Major stock goes down. Look at the bulls are, folks, okay? Market has so much powerful bulls here. Look at these volumes are. Okay, market still lifting. Price actions are above the POC. All right, we're gonna take a look at the order flow, folks. Okay, just a second. Look at the man, Palantir, they dropped to 134 now. Right here. SPY, man, nothing. Can you believe it? Nothing. They want to keep it hidden. QQQQQ has 597. QQQ at 597 is right here. We already tested the 597 at open, so nothing. All right, so what exactly look like here? All right, bullish flow, ScanDisk, Google, AVGO, Irene, Tesla, Qualcomm, Amazon, MSTR bullish. Wow. Microsoft. Right, look at the Walmart crowd for Google, MU bearish, Nvidia bearish, UNH bearish, Meta bearish, Intel bearish, Costco bearish, HIMS bearish, Palantir bearish, E bearish. Yep, already everything is turning bearish. Squeeze bullish right there. Squeeze bullish, market has POC there. MACD cross here. And that's okay. Bulls are here. I'm sure they're gonna trap because today premiums are outrageous. Folks, be careful today, alright? Just to give you a heads up, be careful. It'll be a solid Theta decay. And if the trade is against you, forget about it, dollar cost average and all. Right? So it's far better to wait like a cheetah. All right, you gotta keep wait and wait and wait and look for a best safety. You need a big cycle, then you will find safety. Smaller cycle, you could be part of the trap if you cannot catch the right direction. Okay, so right now let the melodrama finish. Market maker gonna continue wherever they want to go. Let them trap 1 or 2 times. By the time premium will get cheaper and cheaper. The longer you wait, right, longer you wait, the better the price you're gonna get. Right, your destination is dollar green before 4 o'clock, correct? That's your destination. So then we can wait. Look at the market trying to flip the VWAP, squeeze there. Look at the cycle about to get over. The squeeze here, okay, we were flip, but the squeeze bullish, right? So they're fully, it's okay. Conditions are bullish. They're playing some game. It's still bullish. Look at that. Cycle about to change now. All the images are lining up. Bears are coming. Yep, bears are coming now, pushing lower. VWAP. Q. Wow. VWAP flip bearish now. Yep. Look at the light under the tunnel coming bearish. Conditions are bullish. Look at MACD here, volume 2. Bears are coming. All the images are jumbled up. Sideway, right? You can see green, red now. Alright, let me get rid of this now. This was the rejection. Alrighty. So from here to here, so far 5 handle market moved from here to here. Still bulls are here. Ticks are bouncing. So look at the Amazon flush, Nvidia also going down. Meta bouncing, Microsoft still going lower, 400, Apple is going lower, Google bouncing, Palantir going down, EVGO still going down, coin going down. Man, Intel shoot out. Whether Intel, MSTR is dumping like anything. MSTR. Look at the Qualcomm dumped. Okay. Nice. Okay, good. Qualcomm coin is going down too. Great. Man, look at that. Coin broke the major trend line. So if you see daily chart, you see that major trend line coin broke. But here, next previous low is right here, is where they want to go. That's your target, just to give you 144. Okay. Bears are coming here. Look at the MACD bearish volume. Bearish. Look at the bears, man. Powerful bears. Okay. Today is the day. Look like. Wow. Everything is bearish. Look at the IWM, Q, market want to go. Look at the MACD volume, all turning super bearish, and MACD going to. We are at the LOD. Market says I want to go lower. Ticks are going. Support is right there. Look at the bounce. We are at the support area. MACD is still bearish. Support right there. MACD showing little weakness, but we are at the support here. Right, WM at the VWAP, QQQQQQ. Support right there. QQQQQQ. Look at these volumes are still coming. Where are the support here? Ticks are bouncing. What is the agenda? Look at the MACD, look at the volume. Market at the support. Look at the MACD going crazy. Bears are coming. Right, today is the day, folks. Okay, market maker, today is the day. Look like already. It's okay. Let them finish the game wherever they want to go. If you miss, is all right. They will create some cycle somewhere, but at least we'll find the direction. Okay, so they were going up here, nice bullish. Now they're going down here, bearish. Conditions are sideways, still bears are there. Looking at the volatility is so high, it doesn't mean that they're gonna go and dump also, folks. Okay, you never know. These people, they are very smart chap. If you look at the daily chart, bulls are still there. So just in case, if they want to just making you bearish and trap all the bear and then go to the moon, it happens, and drop the IV later, right? That's what could happen. There's always two sides of the coin to think. Right? Look at the volume here, bearish. Bears are here, MACD bearish, volume bearish, green, red, green, red, green, red. Look at this, man. Premium just outrageous, right? Man, 40% IV right now. Yep. Outrageous Theta decay, man, today. Outrageous. And they're, wow, look at the Vega, 70 cents today. You can only gain if IV go up, okay? So now IV is already 40% and they're gonna use the IV down, and that is 70 cents on a Vega, right? So you just imagine, man, everything is against you if you get into the trade and if your things are not in your side. Once the hopium kicks in, it could be a disaster. So what does it mean? When you are on the put side, folks, you have to be very, very careful. Okay, because if market reverse, they can drop the IV, and IV is 40. All right, and you could lose money from three angle. You could have three holes in your bucket to make money. Okay, on a short side. As if somebody open the tap and you think like filling up, but there is a three holes in the bottom. And if the trade goes against like this, then forget about it, because IV could drop then. All right, so I'm gonna, wait, folks. Okay, today is it's going to be crazy. You got to apply the option class I teach you today. That's the most important. How to make money using the things what I teach. Learn every day is a different wind direction. Marketplace. Market use different tools. Oh, boy. Look at the bears. Condition turning now bearish. Okay, look at that bears coming. You see, market want to dump. Look at that. Volume coming. There is a big dump coming now, okay? And that would be today. Look at the bears are right now. Look at that, man. This is nice and bearish, right? They decided to dump now. Ticks are holding, keep going. Bearish, okay? Ticks are bouncing. Yep, look at the bears are here. Ticks are there. IWM is still holding good. Ticks are there. Look at that. Bears are coming now. Look at the bears here, powerful bears. That's why they jacked up the premium today, and they are dumping now. Look at that direction started going down lower already. IWM is going, QQQQ is looking bearish a lot. Look at that. Nvidia is like bleeding anything. Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, and Carvana. Look at the Palantir heading to 130 coin. Everything today is the day. That's why they jacked up the premium outrageous. And that's the game. Look at the bounce coming now. Filling up the gas. No squeeze, nothing. Okay, bearish. MACD trying to cross. Okay, light in the tunnel looking bullish. Bulls are coming. Still bad conditions are bearish. Okay, still conditions are bearish. Daily chart of a bounce 100. Okay, let me look into it. Already. We are far from any SMAs, okay? Where market is far from, oh sorry, I'm looking at the weekly chart, okay, yeah. Yep, market is at the 100 SMA, folks, okay? Be careful. All right, market, pre-market, they took it down. We are at the 100 SMA. Right now, market at the 100 SMA, which is support right here. That's okay. Let's see what kind of cycle they're gonna create here. The best thing is, folks, we need them to do some drama. Okay, since the premiums are outrageous. Look at the MACD cross. Still, we need to see what could happen here. No screen. Look at the conditions are so much bearish. Man, they already started going, man. Bears are. Waiting for the cycle, see what happened after the cycle. Okay, I already looked at the order flow, folks. Okay, order flow has nothing right here. Okay, SPY, nothing. You see that? I'm waiting. Okay, we're gonna wait here and see what happens here. Look at the bears here, solid bears, man. Green, red, green, red, green, red. When they, you have to be very careful here. They didn't even bounce good enough, but let's see, a cycle about to change. Look at the bears pushing lower now. MACD already says I want to go. Look at the conditions. I say we want to go lower. Yep, they want to go lower. I thought they will have a little decent bounce. Alright, squeeze popping right away. Interesting. Market trying to bounce. Man, market says I want to go lower, but it's okay. Let's see. Today to print 20% is like difficult. Okay, 20% is so difficult. Would be you could print 10% probably, man. I mean 20% would be gotta hold the trade. Got the market says I want to go lower. Already squeeze coming now. Market want to flush. Already we missed it. It's okay. They're gonna test this support right here, and they're gonna flush it. It's all right. Look at the squeeze, MACD right there. Conditions are powerful bearish. Bears are there. They are trying to create a bullish diversion here, folks. Okay. Yep. That's the game now. Still squeeze there. Conditions are bearish. Look at the bears here now pushing lower. Excuse me. Look at the squeeze. They want to flush. Eventually they want to go lower. Here we go. Look at those conditions are so much bearish looking right now, FOMO. Here we go. It's okay. Market is not creating the cycle. This is just simply flushing. Look at the light and the tunnel coming. Look at the bears are coming. They want to go lower. Today is the day they want to go lower. Look at the steel bears are here, condition bearish. Steel bears are here. Continue squeeze, creating a diversion, bullish diversion, but look at those conditions are powerful bears. That's the 100 SMA here. That's why market trying to bounce here. All right. Look at the bears. Look at the conditions. Continue squeeze, MACD bullish, might be MACD filling up the gas, okay. Strong bears here still, okay. Strong bears are here. It's just falling, and POC right there. Wow, POC there at the bottom. Means controlling the market, okay. POC pop on spike. Today is the day, look like. All right. They want to take it down. Squeeze, volume come in, POC down. I'm gonna have nice flush. Look at the drama here. Bounce, green, red, green, red, green, red, and POC. They are bearish. It's just people need to hold up their positions. You can see bears are strong here still. I am waiting for bigger cycle. It's all right. Look at the bears are here. So far, market moved 7.5 handle, folks. Okay, since it squeeze, bearish conditions are bearish, market still pushing lower but not going too far, and POC here guarding right there. Man, powerful bears here, huh? Still market. Look at these bears are like so much powerful market bearish. That's why here we got the POC. Yeah, look at the bears now lining up. You're gonna see a big red candle. Powerful bearish condition still. Squeeze volume bearish, conditions are bearish, POC right there, ticks are bouncing. $67. And look at those conditions are horrible. Bears are here, huh? Powerful bears. QQQ got POC too. See that? QQQ got POC. And that's your 100 SMA here. Conditions are horrible. Already, let's see POC. Whenever POC involvement, we need to be very vigilant here. Look at the MACD creating a bullish diversion here. QQQQQ. See if they're gonna do the trap or not. Okay. That is why we need to wait. Okay. It's okay if they want to go. Look at the MACD kind, volume coming, conditions are bearish. I don't trust these, but it's alright. Bullish. We need something unusual activity, folks. Okay, market is doing POC right there. Look at that. POC is the one who's playing that game. Alrighty. Bulls are coming on a QQQQQ. Look at the MACD cycle about to get over. You can see that bears are cycle about to get over. IWM is bouncing. A lot of bear has profit, so they could bounce, they could afford. Still POC there. Bulls are coming. Continue squeeze. MACD is still there. I'm thinking MACD might be filling up the gas. Still MACD bullish. POC inward. Continue squeeze. Conditions are still bearish, light under the tunnel, coming bullish. Cause of POC, folks. Both index has POC. Alright, and premiums are outrageous. Look at the IWM. POC still there. Still bulls are coming here. Bulls are pushing higher. Look at the light under the tunnel. MACD bullish, volume bullish. Okay. Still bullish. Okay, you can see right there. It's something they want to play. Tons of bear here. Okay. Still MACD bullish, volume bullish, squeeze bullish. Conditions are right there. Look at the volume, pushing up, pushing. Still squeeze there. Still squeeze, volume bullish. Still squeeze here. Bulls are still pushing up. Ticks are negative still. Interesting. Continue squeeze bullish. Still squeeze bullish, volume bullish. Okay, let's see. Nothing running away. It says because today premiums are outrageous. If you miss, is okay. No need to feel like FOMO. But look at that, man. They already did. Wow, man, I missed it. That is what I was waiting for. Alrighty, that's okay. Alright, bearish. Now, man, POCs entering in the middle is the risk level. That's why, but it's okay. I was thinking to short here if they could go a little more, but they did not. Wind direction is still south. Still MACD trying to MACD filling up the gas to go lower. POC is inward. Still bears are here. Yep, now MACD filling up the here. Look at the MACD trying to cross. Bears are here. Ticks are bouncing. Kiki got POC. Market want to go lower. POC right there. Ticks are filling up the gas. When you chase at the bottom, the risk is higher. Okay, if you're taking the trade, but yes, look like bearish. They want to flush. Look at these conditions there. Okay, folks, they want to flush it. Squeeze giving up. Ticks are bouncing. QQQ got POC. Look at the bears here, folks. Okay. QQQ POC. Still small cycles. That's your 200 SMA. All right. POC, IWM POC. Look at that divergence on these conditions. It's all right. That is okay. Still they want to play. This is another divergent, bullish divergence creating and horrible bearish conditions. All right, meantime, folks, let's get the morning likes done. Premiums are outrageous, so instead of clicking the buy button, let's click the like button, folks. Let's get it. Conditions are still powerful bearish here, but POC involved on all three indexes. POC involved at the bottom. I'm still trying to figure out the game plan these people are doing. POC still at the bottom, okay. Bouncing. This is your 100 SMA, right? That's where market is right now. But in this condition, they're trying to bounce. I can't trust much because of POC involved. They're compressing here. You see this? Bounce, bull, bear, bull, bounce. Look at the squeeze come in. All right, let's exchange the energy, folks. Let's get the likes done. Look at the squeeze coming in, creating another weakness. Market creating a weakness at POC. Any bounce, pullback. I wanted to short here, but I missed this. Same thing here also, but they didn't bounce here. All right, that's fine. Now bears trying to give up here, but let's see. Still POC involved, creating a. Look at the cycle size. All right, that's the game they're playing. Alrighty. So they are dropping 3% IV so far, okay. All right, here you go, another divergent creating bullish one. There must be a reason POCs here, right? There's a reason to control the price there. And IWM POC got in here too. Now market want to go lower. Light under the tunnel coming bearish. POC there. POC. Zero trade, folks. Okay, since morning, zero trade. Market maker jacked up the premium 500% today. All right. Let them finish the drama. Normally, I thought they're gonna trap somebody, right? Bulls or bear or something. So this is the small trap in the morning. But other than that, right now I don't see anything yet. All right, market. POC. Look at the bears coming now. Squeeze bearish, volume bearish. And look at these people. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Bearish. Look at the squeeze, look at the MACD, they want to flush, right? But we chase, and just in case if that reverse, could be in trouble. So I'm not chasing anything, but yes. See, look at that. They're trying to, look like make you bearish and then bounce like this. That's okay. Let them finish the drama. Already POC there. Look at the no volume here, right? Look like bullish, look like bearish. Look at the MACD here crawling up. Bears try to give up here, but still POC hanging. Okay, POC still here, and look at this, what they are doing. Okay. I have 5% IV drop so far. They're slowly burning people premium. People who are getting into calls and puts and who are holding. I'm sitting outside and watching the game. Continue squeeze. Oracle 139. Conditions are not the best. Market pushing lower. POC is there. Market still at the 100 SMA support area. Alright, market going lower now. At the support going lower, going higher. Look at this bounce, teeny mini goes lower and bounce. Conditions are not D grade. Squeeze bearish, volume bearish, market pushing little lower. So every time market comes here in this neighborhood and bounces, right? MACD bearish now, squeeze bearish, market want to push it little lower. There we go. Still bearish. So now at least you know what market makers are doing, right? Little pullback, bounce right here. So if you want to go long side, everything condition bearish, but it's POC in the middle and playing game. But taking time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to play. See that? So if anybody buy the call here, You can print money. POC right there. Still sideways bearish. Still bears are there. Look at the squeeze here, right? Market, look at the bears are here too. Ticks are going. Squeeze volume bearish. IWM is going lower already. Still bears are here. Condition, look at that. Look at that. keep trapping bulls and bear. POC, look at that POC, man. Wow. Okay. They are still in the channel and POC in the middle. Okay. I'm getting excited. Still bears are here. Look at the bounce. This is the third candle and trap all these bear, right? Tons of bear, 1, 2, 3, tons of bear here. And then they will pull back to POC, play some game, burn all the bear and play somewhere on the upper side also. All right, so the resistance here. Some point of time they will go back. You just give it 30 minutes and they will test this. But right now they're burning bulls bear like this, like this, like this. So you see this bunch of bear this side. Now they spend some time above the POC also. Light under the tunnel coming bullish. We could trade if something like this, it would have been 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, this kind of cycle, great. But right now in the morning time, teeny mini cycles and outrageous premium. All right. So it's okay. Look at the light under the tunnel. Look at the MACD volume. Still bulls are there, trying to push it up. Here we go. Okay, POC right there. Look at how many bears are here. If they want to squeeze all the bear, they would go above the VWAP. Let's see the agenda. Still trying to gauge. Okay, still bulls are coming. Look at that. All right, bears are giving up here. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Look at almost 1 hour bears are here. Not one. Yeah, almost 1 hour bear. Condition doesn't look interesting, but it's just the POC doing the drama, all right, because of 1 hour bears here, and then eventually they would go lower. We'll see. Look at that, bulls are coming. MACD volume, everything bullish. Market at the VWAP. here too, so there might be a little pullback and then again little cycle. Look at that, all green candles, not as any red candle, right? Bulls are coming, trapping all the bear. Market trying to flip. Look at that, bulls are flipping, VWAP. Market flipping the VWAP, bulls are coming here. Now this bear will exit because of the flip head. Alrighty, MACD still there. Now we're gonna wait for the rejection or something. This is bullish. Look at the volume, look at the MACD conditions, all bulls are coming here. But we are at the VWAP. Still bulls are here. Big cycle, big cycle, big cycle. Alright, we are at the VWAP. Still bullish. The strong supply here at the VWAP also. Look at the volume here too. Bulls are going. Interesting. Look at the MACD volume. All these things looks like bullish to me. They trap all the bear. Okay. Volumes are there. At the VWAP. Ticks are all the way positive. All these bears are going through the pain. That's why price is POC is playing game. Still volumes are bullish. QQQ looking bullish. Zero trade, folks. Okay, still bulls are there. Market want to go higher, but we are at the VWAP market playing game. We need to see. Look at those volumes are still, yep, bullish. Still volumes are there. Look at the MACD, look at the volume. Keep going. Ticks are negative. I don't want to chase right now, but yes, bullish. So look at the ticks are still negative. They want to go higher. Look like, okay. I'm not in the trade. But they are looking, man, they want to go. That's what I feel like. Ticks are also going. QQ already started going. They trap the bear. Okay. We'll wait for some unusual activity and we'll watch. Okay, it's okay. They are looking bullish. Ticks are still negative. Alright, bullish. Look at that, ticks are going now. Alrighty, bulls are in crazy. Today premiums are outrageous, folks. So I'm not chasing, but yes, they are bullish right here. Okay. So look at that, all the bears are trapped here now. That's why they are there. Ticks are still pulling it back, but they are still, bulls are here. Okay. pullback coming now. All right, let's see the pullback now. Ticks are still negative. Here we go, pullback coming. They spend some more time about the VWAP than all the bear exits. Okay. Look at the bulls. No pullback. Because ticks are negative, market is at the top. Volumes are strong here too. MACD trying to cross, conditions are bullish. Look at these volumes are here. Anybody got stuck on put, folks? Anybody in here? Anybody holding the put? Look at that. MACD filling up the gas to go higher. Ticks are going. And the hands in pocket, okay. I'm asking everybody if anybody hoping, because this is bullish now. Okay, this is pullback, nice bullish. Look at that. Just think how much what premium you pay and how much you can make. But yes. Look at the bulls are here, okay? It's bulls still. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Ticks are still negative. Still bulls are here, conditions are bullish. I'm sure they're gonna do something, but this is all bulls are here. Bulls, bulls. Look at that. Conditions are strong, bullish here. No cycle, okay? Still bullish. Cameron. All right. Maybe trying to give up a little bit. Conditions are still bullish. All right. So there is something gonna do it here. Okay. Just a second. Bullish, bullish, bullish. No cycle, huh? Look at the bull here. You can see. Wait for the cycle, but yes, bulls are still active. All right. So what happening is now, all right, they are dropping the IV to 10. Now it's 30, 31%, 32%. Okay. So people who are trying to think they are bullish, right? Great. And bears are so what they will be doing, folks, right now, bears are losing money too. They're gonna lose Theta decay. Crazy. Plus Delta crazy too. And IV dropping too. They got 3 holes in the bucket. All right. That is the game. That's why they want to charge 500% premium today morning. I told you. Right. That is how they do, these people. 0 trade since morning. Okay, bulls are, look at that. No volume, but yes, bullish. Alrighty. Okay, let me see. Okay. Look at the squeeze coming. Bulls are here still, folks. Okay, bulls are still here. Squeeze coming in. Cycle about to change. Look at this, already bounced, man. By the time I type and come here and gone. All right, it's okay. Look at that, conditions are bullish. Bulls are strong here. A lot of bull has profit here too. So let's see what kind of game gonna play. That's what I'm waiting for. It could be a little bigger, smaller, something. Squeeze bullish, volume bullish, condition bullish. Cycle about to change here. Let's see what happened here, folks. Okay. Condition is bullish. Squeeze right there. MACD is still there. Anything you trade here, if your entries are in the middle, no good. Your entry has to be at the top or bottom, something you do play long side or short side, whatever you trade, just to give you idea. Okay, because we're still at the VWAP area. Look at that. Pushing. Look at the MACD here. Still volume coming bearish. Bunch of bull has profit, so they would not mind pulling it back. Light under the tunnel coming bearish, folks. Okay, light under the tunnel coming bearish. Watch out on the long side. Okay, they want to flip it. Squeeze there though. MACD bearish, volume bearish, cycle about to change. Bears are coming. Okay, bears are coming. Light under the tunnel coming bearish. Volumes are giving up. Condition is the only one side which is look like bullish. And see where we are at the VWAP. Okay. If you go long here, for example, right? And if VWAP flips, you got to exit and the loss smaller. But right now, look at the volume here. Look at the squeeze volume. Only the condition is bullish. POC right there. Still bull. Maybe MACD filling up the gas. Let's see. Because premiums are outrageous, folks, okay, today. So it's okay. Squeeze there. Ticks are still holding. Bears are coming. MACD, look at the volume, right? See, but condition is bullish. VWAP is flipping. You see that VWAP is flipping market. Conditions are bullish. So we need cycle. We need 1 or 2 cycles, something. Then we think about it. Chasing just because going, it's dangerous. Why not anymore? Because premiums are so outrageous. Condition, look at that. And MACD here, volume coming here. It's okay. I'm waiting for second cycle. Let the market do the job. It's okay. I want to gauge them. The game. Still, look at the squeeze, volume bearish. It could bounce also. It could be anything because bunch of bull has profit today. Market is bearish actually. It's just a trap of the bear. And then they could go lower here. Look at the bear, still coming bear. Market at the VWAP. Bulls are conditions are here. MACD filling up the gas, folks, okay? They want to go higher. Wow. That's what I was expecting, but still is okay. It's all right. If you miss it, is okay. Premiums are outrageous. I was thinking they might come to the cloud area here and then they will do, because there's a lot of things here happening. It's okay. I missed it. All right, I apologize folks. Sometime, you know, when premiums are high, I little think, but yeah, it's all right. It's great, man. If anybody get into the trade, great. Beautiful. Look at these here conditions are here. Filling up the gas. Conditions are bullish. Look at the MACD crossing. MACD still here. Conditions are still bullish. Light under the tunnel bullish. Conditions are also bullish. Market might try to create a diversion here. Look at the crossing now, bullish. Now they trap the bears. Still bullish. Market might create diversion here or something. Ticks up, filling up the gas. Still bulls are here. Light under the tunnel coming bullish here. Bulls are coming here. Wow, man. Yep. They want to go higher now. This was a trade here, folks. Okay, I missed it. I was double mind here. It's okay. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Conditions are bullish now. Light under the tunnel coming bullish. Be careful. All right, they are bullish now. MACD also crossing here. Conditions are bullish. So finally they trapped the bear basically right here, all these bears. Okay. Tesla bounce, Nvidia bounce. Yep, everything bouncing. UVGO bounce. Palantir bounce. Okay, this is all bullish. Alrighty, folks, this is all bullish. Let's see. Still bulls are here. Conditions are bullish. Filling up the cash. Still bulls are here. To the volume here. Look at these conditions are nice and strong here. Still volume bullish. Conditions are bullish. Look at these conditions here. Volume still here. Excuse me. Still volume here bullish. Conditions are bullish. Powerful volume here, powerful condition here, okay? That's why. Conditions are still bullish. Look at this volume here, still continuous bullish. This is your support here, folks, okay? This is a great support right here. Previous pullback bounce right there. And look at the volume here too. Bulls are here. MACD trying to cross down. MACD crossing, still volumes are there. Little pullback. Still support with the volume coming. These conditions are still the market trying to create a divergence, but bulls are conditions are here still. Still conditions are there, bullish. Look at the MACD filling up the gas. Still volume here. You can see bulls are coming. Conditions are bullish. That's your support. Basically, market maker, they trap the bear and now they are bullish here, spending some time back and forth, small cycle, but they are bullish still. Okay. Look at the volume here still trying. Still bulls are here. MACD little bearish, condition bullish. Still MACD little bearish. Excuse me. Look at the MACD. Wow. MACD giving up, so cycle about to get changed. VWAP is right there. There's a support here, folks, okay? Look at that. I'm expecting the bounce, so probably still conditions are bullish. IWM and QQQ both has POC, okay? So still bulls are here. Look at this condition here. Still bull cycle here, no squeeze, nothing. If it's yeah, POC on pair. I don't see here, but you see these conditions, right? Their bulls are here too, okay? And there's a bunch of bear here. They're just burning them out. Little bounce, pull back, little bounce, pull back, okay? That's what been doing it, but still bulls are here. So let's see. These are teeny mini cycle. By the time the premium down, dies more, it'll be easier as the time progress. But yes, I mean, love to short right now, right? But the problem is those condition, man. Bulls are, look at the squeeze pop right there. And so you want to go lower. Bearish volume still coming. We were gonna flip it. Sometime I think they're gonna go to VWAP here also, come around here and then reverse. So this bear thing is coming, and this bull has profit, so they're gonna go to the little pain bulls. That is the cycle normally they play, okay, folks. I could be wrong. We'll see. You got the light and the tunnel coming bearish, squeeze forming immediately. Market says want to go lower. Condition is the word issue we have. POC. If you see market going around here, then is a good shot. Okay, conditions are still bullish. That's why a little skeptical. Squeeze bearish coming, and you got POC there. Man, bulls are giving up, folks. Okay. Already. Look at the MACD, okay? What I think is they're gonna flip the VWAP if they do it, and then bounce, okay? And we can watch the hands if that happens. Or the best entry is like if they go and bounce here, this is a good shot around here if they bounce. Okay. Squeeze coming bearish. We are at the cloud support. Okay. It's tight, okay? It's not the great. It's tight of range. Previous was bounce here, you know. So from here to here, if they come, you can get $1. Here we go. This is how you print your money. I could not exit, okay folks, I could not exit. Right there, come on. Man, they're testing the VWAP. Yep, go through the... Look at that, okay. Ticks are bouncing. Still squeeze bearish. Come on, I know you could do way better, man. Nice, look at that, going VWAP right there, and they're gonna flip the VWAP, and then all the bull will say, oh yeah. I got $2 profit right now. Okay. About to book the profit right there. MACD still bearish, volume bearish, VWAP is right there. And pushing, all the bull has a profit, right? 50. I was greedy, folks. Okay, did not book. Should have booked it. I felt like volumes are there. We are at the VWAP. First time we test the VWAP. Second time we are testing the VWAP. Volumes are there. Squeeze giving up. Yeah, man. Yeah. Q. Still volumes are there. Okay. Testing the VWAP and bounce coming. Maybe create a cycle. Yeah, man. They don't want to go to below VWAP, folks. Okay, now I made a blunder look like creating a cycle. QQQ below POC. Squeeze coming in now again. Here, squeeze popped. This is the previous bounce. Bulls are giving up here. Squeeze coming in. Whenever squeeze pops, you never know. IWM looking bearish. Q between the POC and VWAP. MACD trying to I'm sure they're gonna play some game. IWM is looking bearish though. They test the VWAP and bounce here. POC everywhere. Look at this MACD here, squeeze still there. Continue squeeze. Bulls are coming here. Ticks are still negative. Green red, green red, green red. Still squeeze there. Nothing here. Continue squeeze. Bulls are giving up here. We are in the bear cycle, okay, and still market doesn't do nothing sideways. Okay. Continue squeeze is the only your hope. Right there. Beautiful. Here we go. Market kind of flip the VWAP, keep going. Nice. Look at that, man. QQQ item. All three indexes looking bearish, okay? Okay, I'm out, folks. I'm happy what I got. First trade of the day. Just a second. Where market is going now, folks? That is solid bearish, right? Sell 90. Two minus. I was playing very small size, folks. Okay, 20 contract. I made a $5,500 profit. All right, we were bounce, did not book the profit here, bounce, went to 7 minutes and then pull back and exit. Okay. First trade of the day. So bears are thinking, oh, it's coming, and now they took a U-turn here, right? Yep. Oh, look at the bulls here now. Now imagine if you would have held, now if anybody in alert room holding that put, what would happen here? That is what people go through sometime. Yeah, then this is your reward, this is your risk. That's the game. Alright, QQQQPOC, bouncing market. Look at the bull ticks are going crazy. Okay. I'll be right back, folks. I'm trying to take a bathroom break. Give me a couple of minutes. Alrighty. Look at these volumes are bullish, bullish, bullish. Just a second. Market is at the top. QQQ got POC, IWM still has POC. Look at the IWM still sitting at the bottom, okay? Only the SPY is lifting it up. Already pulled back here a little bit. Conditions are still bullish. The trend is intact, bullish, right? They're gonna burn all these bears who paid crazy amount of money in the morning. That is the agenda they have. All right. Look at that. QQQ POC. MACD crossing here. Conditions are bullish. Okay. Look at the volume, look at the conditions, look at the trend line, everything looking bullish here. But they are still keeping the price elevated. This area is very critical junction where the VWAP is, okay. MACD doesn't have the power. Market trying to bounce. Q. This is the third divergent market creating here. That's okay. Today is I just got some MSTR safe. Oh, MSTR, sure, MSTR. Super duper bearish. All right, look at that. Technical looking so horrible bearish right now. They want to push it more lower. They're taking tolls. Actually, market makers are taking tolls on MSTR because bunch of bulls are here. All right, so there is some agenda behind. Okay, folks, MSTR, there's just agenda behind. So if the agenda is something crazy, because there's a tons of money involved here. All right, and these market makers, man, they exactly know where and all people invest big, and then they take a tolls on it. Like people get squeezed, people, and then they rake the money. So, but yes, supported around 110. Look, this bounce, and then rejection. So target area was 110. Okay, I think they're gonna break this because everybody looking at it this support, and people think it's bearish, and they can break this because conditions are not great. But hey, earning can be anything, folks. Okay, earning, they can play around a little bit here, like this bounce, like $10 bounce. Doesn't make much difference in market maker life. But yeah, some people try to buy that here, and then if it goes to $90, $50, they can still add more. But yes, if this is long run, MSTR could do when Bitcoin bounce. Let's look at the Bitcoin. So market update video I mentioned about it. So Bitcoin was bullish here. Look at this breakout and fake out happen, and they create a bear flag, and then look at that, dumped. So since then Bitcoin is like super duper bearish right now. It's going crazy down. They're gonna take it down ground level 0, folks. Okay, and then they're gonna rake it. Right now institution doesn't have the power on Bitcoin, but slowly they want to capitalize on Bitcoin. So they want to take it down. That's why they're loaded up. Now they're taking it down. Next area is right here. Okay, yeah, look at the bulls here, volume pushing it up. Squeeze bullish, volume bullish, everything is at the top. Bullish. As long as the trend line is intact, they are bullish. Everything is bullish here, okay? Look at the squeeze here. Still bulls are here. Squeeze bullish, condition also bullish, creating a diversion at the top. Still bullish. Right, so previous pullback was around here. Okay, just to give you idea, so be careful. Okay. Market continues squeeze, conditions are bullish, keeping the price elevated. So a lot of bear, they do a dollar cost average around here, this area, and market bounce. Look at the squeeze and volume, bullish, bullish, bullish. Right, look at the volume coming, bullish, condition bullish. Market wants to go. Look at that MACD volume, and this is bullish zone. Okay. Market slowly going. When these people gonna break the HOD, then all the bear will exit. That's what market agenda is here. Okay, Just to let you know, slowly gonna create a cycle, and then they're gonna go to HOD and break up that, but I don't know what time, maybe another 15-20 minutes. Okay, but they are going bullish. Look at the squeeze, volume, condition, they are looking nice bullish. Any unusual pullback is bullish. Pullback coming, 1248. This is a previous bounce support here. Okay, conditions are still bullish. Wow, look at that pullback squeeze. Still bulls are here, folks. Okay, but look at the trap here. Cycle about to get over. QQQ got POC. Still bullish. Okay. Conditions are bullish, still bearish. Cycle about to change, huh? But this is a support. If this support flips, probably around here. There is no way precisely we can figure where they could be, but look at that squeeze still here. Conditions are bullish, creating another divergent. Maybe more red candle. Look at that power coming. Yes. Squeeze there. QQQ got POC. Time is 12:50. Still bearish. QQQ POC. Still bears are here. Volumes are still bearish. Look at the MACD volume still bearish here. Bearish conditions are bullish. MACD is horrible bearish squeeze. Interesting game going on, right? Still volume bearish, MACD bearish. Still look at that. MACD. QQQ got POC. Ticks are still negative. 1253 time is. Still ticks are super negative. Look at the MACD still continue squeeze bearish. Look at the MACD still turning bearish, man. Wow, yep, they want to win. Condition is strong bullish. IWM is going lower. QQQ got POC. Bears are coming, okay? Okay. I don't know, somehow I don't like it now. POC is getting price actions are getting below, and this squeeze is pushing lower. Condition is bullish. Yeah, man, they are telling they want to go lower. QQQ got POC, IWM got POC, market want to pull it down. MACD turning bearish. Wow, MACD looking still bearish. Squeeze, volume, conditions. And here QQQ, IWM got POC. Yeah, man. QQQ POC. Four more minutes to market to go. QQQ. Ticks are going. Bulls are giving up. MACD is still there in the bear cycle. Look at the MACD still bearish. Alright, market want to go lower, folks. Look like. I don't like it. QQQ POC is the only hope you have, folks, okay, if you are in a call. POC. QQQ POC. Still squeeze bearish, conditions are still there. Look at this giving up. 1257. Man, bears are coming, folks. Okay. QQQPOC. Squeeze bearish. Yeah, man, this is time to bears are coming. QQQQ still POC pushing lower, squeeze there too. Okay, that's the problem. Volumes are still there too, pushing lower, and market is about to get squeeze, giving up, and market is still pushing MACD bearish. Man, they want to go lower. Yeah, look at the MACD. POC is playing right now. Look at the MACD wants to go lower. Okay, I'm out, folks. I took a loss. Look at the MACD volume bearish, everything looking bearish. I mean, that's okay if they bounce. $2 loss. $6,000 down. Volumes are coming, conditions are lines are breaking down here. VWAP is here. Look at this volume here. POC now bouncing probably. Time is 1 o'clock. Still at POC. Okay, now they're bouncing here. Ticks are going lower. Man, this is bouncing now. QQQQQ. Now they are going. When I exit, QQQ. Now look at POC. Okay. Filling up the gas. That's the bullishness. Conditions are sideways. Ticks are bouncing. QQQPOC. Look at that rejection. POC right there. QQQ POC, IWM POC. Look at the squeeze coming in here now. For some reason POC inward on QQQ. Alright. And IWM both has POC. Time is 1:05. Conditions are sideways. You can see green dead, pushing it lower. Trend line broke. That's why. But POC inward on QQQ and IWM, so you never know. QQQ. Look at the bears. MACD bearish, squeeze bearish. Condition is bullish sideways. And QQQ and IWM got still POC. Your support area around here. Okay. That's where probably they are targeting. So if you see these previous flips, then bullish and go to here. Until then, still bearish, MACD bearish, volume bearish, price actions are below, but QQQ got POC. That's why you never know. Never know the game plan. Bears are coming. IWM also bearish. Already built. Squeeze come in. See this rejection? That is telling you some bears are here still. Want to go lower, squeeze, volume pushing lower, but the QQQ has POC here. Ticks are bouncing. Okay. Still bears are here. Squeeze there. A lot of bulls here, that's why. I think they're gonna trap this bear and come around here. That's what I'm thinking. Right now they're bearish. This condition doesn't look interesting to me yet. MACD bearish, squeeze holding. They are right now attracting all the bears. Bears are thinking, oh yeah, going, and these people also go, and then some dirty game can play. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see. Market trying VWAP area, folks. Still pushing. Bulls are giving up here. MACD bearish. That's a strong cluster zone here, huh? Super strong cluster zone. Conditions are giving up though. Okay, now let's see what kind of bounce. POC pop. SPY got a POC. Condition is, man, squeeze there. Still squeeze. Bulls are giving up here. MACD trying to crawling up. All three indexes bouncing, okay? QQQ got POC. Conditions are here bearish, squeeze bearish. Everywhere is POC, folks, okay? Why POC pop there? And here conditions are giving up, allowed to go long, but the problem is condition is not the great, but POC can do anything. All right, we'll see. Still POC all around. Squeeze bearish. Bear cycle about to get over probably. Let's see. But the squeeze is still there. POC. And then MACD trying to cross here. Still squeeze, look at the volume still. Condition is giving up. And POC hovering here. Look at how many bears are here, okay? Alright, we are heading right here. VWAP area, folks. We never know. Still squeeze bearish and condition changing. Bears are there too. You never know. POC right there. Everywhere is POC. MACD already in a bear territory. Bears are still here. Still we need to see why POC pop there still. POC right there. POC keep pushing. We are at the VWAP, okay? Alrighty. Squeeze volume bearish. We are at the VWAP and POC inward. Something they're gonna do here. Still bearish condition, bearish. Still volume bearish.